Henlo, everybody. I breathe carbon dioxide. It's just a joke, I don't. So I'm playing more Flood Escape 2 for no reason. Because I hate my life. I'm your host. Guy. That you don't even know. Open Sesame. Yay. Easiest map in the world. Lost Woods, 10 out of 10. Oh. Okay. I'm gonna die. Oh, wait. Oh, nice. Oh, nice. Look at my character. He's smiling. When other people die and you're the only one left. Oh, nice. Okay, I think I'm gonna cut that out. Sorry, bye. I'm the most cringiest person around. Help me. Oh, wait. Sorry. I love this game. I don't. So, some reason this is gonna be a short vid. It's because I hate my life. Bye. What the button?